What's going on? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. E-Rock here, and today I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging, opening this bag that I ordered of. This is the Drano type of stuff. So recently I did a review on a knife sharpener, and that would be the one that you see on Instagram and Facebook, the little video ads that show the guy sharpening knives, cutting a tomato with it, and then sharpening a credit card or something like that, and how it, it sharpens that as well, really quickly or whatever. So I did a review on that also. And then this one is the Drano stuff. So this is like the stuff you see on the video ad where the drain is clogged. They dump this in there and it bubbles up or foams, real crazy like, and then it just all drains down, okay? So I'm going to open this up, see what it's like, and then I'm going to use it on a clogged drain. Well, I don't have a clogged drain right now. I'm gonna clog a drain with a bunch of hair from my wife's brush, which is super easy to find because her hairs are everywhere. So I'm gonna jam them down a drain and clog it, and I'm gonna use this to see if it works. If not, I got tools to unclog it. So we'll see what happens. But let me see. This is how it arrived. It's just a little bubble wrap package or bubble envelope, and from China. So let's see what we got here. I'm gonna cut at the top so I don't damage anything in there. Okay, it's a really tiny, that was all that's in there. All right, it's a really tiny bottle. Sounds like powder. So definitely am not reading any instructions on there because I can't read kanji or whatever language is written in. All right, Mandarin or whatever. All right, so there's no English writing on that at all. All right, which is no big deal. It's a pretty simple product. I've seen the videos online, and this is one, like I said, this is one where the video ad on, I think I saw this one on Instagram, and I actually clicked on that learn more button on this item, and then went through the buying process through that link. Okay, on Instagram. So whatever it took me through, I purchased it through there, and this is how it came in. So I'm gonna go try this on a clogged drain, and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got a drain that is clear right now. See, it's running down, no clogging. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clog this thing up with my wife's hair. Okay, on that and on that brush. All right, so well, you can see I'm getting this hair off of here. I'm gonna jam it down the drain. All right, got a bunch right there. I'm gonna try to get this off with one hand here. There we go. There's more on there. All right, let me get this off here and I'll be back. All right, we got a bunch right here. I'm gonna wad it up. And I'll stick it in there. Clog up this drain. Down it goes. All right, let's see here. There you go. That's definitely going to clog it up. Now I've got warm water running in there. Got the hot and cold on. So let's see how slow this thing is draining. All right, the hair definitely worked. All right, well, let's fill this up with water again, and I'm going to dump this stuff in. This is what I got. Now this is the stuff off the TV, so I don't know. I can't read that obviously, so I don't know if I dump the whole thing in. I'm going to dump the whole thing in. See what happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow up my pipes. Let's fill it up again. Okay. And like I said, it's like a powder. Have to find out. Here we go. Oh, that's all of it. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's fizzing. It's a really strong chlorine smell. It's definitely bubbling. Come on, baby, work. So I don't have to dig that crap out of there. It is definitely bubbling. More bubbles. It's not draining yet. We'll see. There's really no fumes right now. Just when I initially dumped it in, it smelled like chlorine. Kind of like a chlorine tablet you put in your pool. But that smell's gone. Definitely a lot of foam. Put some more water in this thing, see what happens. It's been about three or 4 minutes now. Oh, there goes the water. I think it's draining. I think it is draining. I'm gonna be shocked if this works because I never believe these things that they show on online. Oh my God, it worked! Holy shit! What? Oh my gosh! Rinse the sides off here. Oh my God. Now I can see. That's nasty. But I can see some of that hair left over there, but it's like eating it away.
I am impressed. Holy cow.
You saw the results there. Now that is an unedited video as far as the filming stuff in the hair down there, pouring this in the drain, and seeing if this thing works. And it was probably about a good 4 minutes before it started actually draining after I dumped this in there. But you saw how big of a chunk of hair that was that I stuffed in there, and it was definitely stopped up. Okay, the water was not draining. I cannot believe this worked as advertised. Like most of those videos you see online, especially on Instagram and Facebook, they exaggerate or they speed it up so much that I thought this would have taken 20 minutes. That thing, this shit works. I mean, that is awesome. I'm definitely going to have one of these on hand all the time for the sink that my wife uses to get ready at. So I never have to dig all that hair out again, because that's what I've been doing. Man, this is great. So I'll have a link in the description, and I'm speechless. I can't believe it worked just like it showed on the videos. Really cool. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.